Hello, I would like to invite you to a 7-day mantra chanting challenge where we are going to chant mantra Om 30 minutes a day for 7 days. Mantra chanting, it is very well known practice from ancient times. Mantra chanting helps to clean mind from negative attitude and tendencies of mind, helps to improve our inner qualities and habits. Mantra Om chanting focus and concentrate mind, gives energy, helps to develop and improve our personality by improving our positive inner qualities. It happens when mind relaxes, then relaxes anger, jealousy, irritation, depression, fear states, and then good qualities works much better. How this challenge works? Participants do registration. You can find link for registration in description of this video. And few days before beginning, you will get in your email instructions with recommendations how you can do mantra Om chanting individually. 7-day mantra chanting challenge. We're starting on 6th day of February and finish on the 12th day of February. Everybody can join this challenge. Also, you can additionally chant with mala beats and improve practice with mala. We will do it individually, so we will try to find 30 minutes in our day for mantra chanting. I think we can do it. I will also chant mantra Om 30 minutes a day. And you will know that there are other people who do practice together with you. So I invite you to register and participate in this 7-day challenge. In the description of this video you will find all information. See you soon. Bye.